If the avocado tree is 20 feet high and Leslie is standing 10 feet away from it, how far will the avocado fall from the tree? To find how far the avocado tree will fall off the tree, we have to use the equation x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Our x is 10 and our y is 20. We square 10, which equals 100, and we square off 20, which is 400. Now we add up 100 and 400, which equals 500. Since we really can't square root it, we have to simplify, which is 100 times 5 inside the square root. The square root of 100 is 10, which equals r. And that's how far the avocado will fall off the tree.
Jennifer wants to know the height of the palm tree. From where she is standing, she finds the angle of elevation to the top of the palm tree, which is 50 degrees. Leslie is 65 feet behind Jennifer, and the angle of elevation to the top of the palm tree is 30 degrees. What is the height of...
To find the height of the palm tree, we're going to have to use SOHCAHTOA. We have to find which of the expressions have the opposite angle on it. So it's only sine and tan. Since we're trying to find x, which is the adjacent, the only one left is opposite over adjacent. The expression we're going to be using is tan h over x. To get h alone, we have to multiply across, which will equal h equals tan 50 degrees times x. That's only one of the expressions. The other one has to include the opposite, adjacent, and the 30-degree angle. And
we're going to use the same expression, tan degrees. We're going to plug in tan 30 degrees equals h over x plus 65. H equals tan 30 degrees times x plus 65. Since we have two h's, they're going to equal to each other.
Since they equal to each other, we're going to distribute the tan 30 degrees to x plus 65.
That'll give us tan 30 degrees times x plus tan 30 degrees times 65.
Now we subtract tan 30 degrees times x from both sides.
After that, tan cancels out and we are left over with tan 50 degrees times x minus tan 30 degrees times x equals 65 times.
Now we divide tan 50 degrees minus tan